Season's greetings, magical mavens. While I've already shared our official winter solstice seasonal episode here on the Writing Witch podcast, I also wanted to pop in again during this season of change to share a bit of my cozy Yule preparations with you and make some exciting festive announcements. So in this video, I invite you to pour yourself a goblet of your favorite festive witch's brew and join me for some wintry homemaking projects while I update you on some big things that are happening this season in the Writing Witch community. First off, it's that time of year, and for the first time in quite a while now, I have a shop discount code that isn't exclusively for Coven members. Currently, there's a sale running in the Writing Witch shop that allows everyone to get 25% off all orders through December, but I also have an even better discount for you. For YouTube viewers, podcast listeners, and newsletter subscribers, I'm offering 35% off all orders through the end of December. Just use the code yuletide24, all one word, at checkout. And I have a similar sale running in my Witchy home goods shop, which is now called Hedge, Hearth, and Harvest to match my new vlog channel, which is all about my cozy witchy homemaking. Anyone can shop my collection of unique vintage cauldrons and teapots that I curate for 15% off without a coupon through the winter solstice, or Sunday, December 22nd. But for subscribers like you, I'm offering 25% off all orders when you use the code YuleHome2024, again, one word, at checkout. These codes for each shop apply to your entire order, and you can use them as many times as you'd like before they expire. If you like any of these gorgeous, unique vintage pieces especially, I definitely recommend that you pause this video and click on the link that's on the screen to select yours, because these things are pretty much one of a kind, and once they're sold out, they're sold out. I also have a special offer for Writing Witch Coven members who join or upgrade during December 2024. It's been such an eventful and transformational year so far, and if you're someone who opens my emails, watches my videos, or engages in my content in any way, I just want to say thank you so much. I really appreciate getting to share this journey with you. As you may know, if you've read my emails or joined in the discussion on any of our Patreon prompt posts recently, or even if you've kind of read between the lines of some of my videos on this channel and my vlog channel recently, you've probably picked up on the fact that most of my goals, intentions, and reflections this past season have been related to burnout, overwhelm, and trying to do too much at once. So you probably guessed that some updates would be coming to make way for a necessary shift in my creative process, my business, and my life. And I want to assure you that while changes are definitely being made, I have no intention of quitting or downgrading the quality of folks' experience as viewers, customers, or patrons. Quite the opposite, in fact. My intention is to come up with better systems so that I'm working smarter instead of harder, and all of your needs are being supported in even better ways going forward. The first exciting change for patrons is that I've decided to do away with the themed monthly discount codes for the Writing Witch shop. My intention was to have these 50% discount codes be available to patrons throughout each month. But because it takes so much work to go through and select all the individual listings that fit each month's theme and compose them into a page on my website that has to be updated every month at the very beginning of the month, it's often gotten pushed to later in the month than intended. So instead of sticking with these specific themes for my discount codes, I've instead decided to super simplify the process and just offer all patrons 50% off all digital items in the shop on an ongoing basis. This is better for you because I know sometimes folks are wondering if they can save on page sets that are not due to fit the monthly themes anytime soon. So now patrons can just get whatever you want, whenever you want, for half off. So if you're not signed up yet, I would love to invite you to join whatever tier is most ideal for you now. With the holidays coming up, it's both a great time to get involved with our cyclical living prompts and to get access to this steep discount on shop items that you can print at home for yourself, as well as offer as gifts to any witchy folks on your shopping list. And speaking of the shop, you may notice that the pre-printed options are no longer available on my Etsy page. That is one of the bigger changes that I've very clearly been called to make in my business this month. For the past few months now, one of my biggest struggles has been that I really wanted and needed to be working on more exciting projects for myself, for my patrons, and for my audience, but I've instead found myself just sitting at my desk printing all day. And fighting with my printer, which has been a constant issue, honestly, ever since I started my business. I've been through many different printers, each with their pros and cons, which I'm not going to waste your time going into here. But if you've ever been someone who's done a lot of color printing, you probably know the struggle. Printers are a very funky and faulty piece of technology. I've known for a long time that I've needed to make a change in this regard, especially lately, but go figure, the universe kind of forced me to finally do something about it when my printer broke last month. For over a week, my partner was trying to repair my printer, unfortunately, because printers are complicated, and the whole time I was so nervous that sales would come in that I wouldn't be able to fulfill. So I considered temporarily deactivating those listings until the problem was solved. But when I went to do that, deep down, something kept telling me that this was really an invitation from my higher self to make a much more permanent change. After all, part of the reason the printer broke in the first place, this time at least, was because I made a foolish mistake while refilling the ink. Because I was honestly overwhelmed, bored, and distracted, and having a really hard time focusing on this task that was never in my zone of genius in the first place. I am an artist and a filmmaker and a writer and a guide, and none of those magical job titles include printer slave. My mind was elsewhere, and it led to a mistake that eventually led to the printer breaking. So instead of just beating myself up for getting it wrong, I instead decided to reframe things and chose to recognize that this was a clear sign that I really wanted and needed to be spending my time differently. I've known for a while that I needed to release something in my business because I was just super busy constantly and not feeling like there was a healthy enough exchange happening. And I was having a hard time putting my finger on what I could possibly get rid of in my business where I love pretty much everything that I do. But now I know exactly what that is. So what I decided to do is discontinue my offer for pre-printed copies in the Writing Witch shop and instead only offer that service to folks who are supporting me on Patreon. If I'm only printing things out for folks in the Coven and pretty much only printing stuff out once a month, that massively reduces my workload when it comes to printing. And I'm happy to do that for people who are on this journey of building our grimoires together each month. It's almost like when I sit down to print out my stuff for my binder, I'm also just printing several more copies of the same thing for my buddies in the Coven. And on that note, there'll also be some shifts to my pricing structure on Patreon in the near future, as this next chapter of my creative process continues to unfold. But these pricing changes will only affect new patrons signing up. Things will continue as normal for current patrons. So to reflect the massive amount of work that's gone into this project in the past few years, and the huge library of resources now available to eligible members, I'm going to be raising the prices of my memberships. However, anyone who is already signed up by the start of January will be grandfathered in and gets to enjoy their original legacy pricing for as long as their membership stays active. It's essentially a sort of founding members discount, so to say. Prices will be going up for new patrons or returning patrons who have taken a break, who sign up after I update my sales page in January. So if you're a current patron with an active membership and you want to lock in your current membership cost, all you have to do is keep your current subscription active. If you're not currently on a paid tier, now is definitely the time to sign up before the pricing updates are made. As long as you're locked into your chosen tier, the pricing updates will not affect you. Same thing if you're on a lower tier and you're thinking about upgrading. Now is the ideal time to lock in the current pricing structure. Additionally, I also thought it would be fun to offer a special bonus for this magical time of year. Initially, I was only going to offer this exciting bonus to newsletter subscribers during Cyber Week, but since I know that was a super busy week for most people and you might have missed it, I've decided to extend the deadline and offer it again to viewers and listeners like you. In addition to the regular 16% off discount for signing up for a full year of membership, I'm also offering a free upgrade to all pay in full members who join this month. Prepay for a year-long subscription to any tier and receive a physical copy of the year's main grimoire pages the first month, plus extra goodies, which I'll go into a little bit later in the video. As I mentioned earlier, I've decided to discontinue all pre-printed copies of my printable page sets in the shop, making certain tiers on Patreon the only place to get physical copies mailed to you. Normally, eligible members receive page sets periodically rather than upfront at the time that they sign up. And the lower tier, the Lunar Living membership, doesn't normally include physical copies at all. But to celebrate the holiday season and give thanks to you for supporting my work thus far, I'm offering this exciting bonus that will be mailed out to eligible members in January. This way, you don't have to wait for each chapter to come out every 4 to 6 weeks for the next year. You get them all at once so you can start building your grimoire during the New Year season, which is a great time to start or re-energize this practice. So here's the breakdown of the bonuses for each tier. For the Lunar Living tier and the Grimoire Goodies tier, you get physical copies of all 12 months of lunar astrology prompts in January, and this means that you get physical copies, which you normally wouldn't on these tiers. And it also means that you just don't have to print out the PDF versions as they come out each month. They'll just already be in your binder, ready to go. Plus, get a physical copy of the much more in-depth grimoire chapter on moon magic that I wrote specifically for the top tier on Patreon. This is not available in the shop at all and is normally exclusive for members to the Build Your Complete Grimoire tier only. So this is a super valuable and exciting bonus for free. Now for the Seasonal Living tier, which I think is the ideal tier for most people, especially if you're a podcast listener or a YouTube viewer, you get physical copies of all 8 seasons of Sabbath prompt pages, plus a bonus introduction section to the Wheel of the Year. This means you don't have to print out the PDF versions as they come out every 6 weeks, or wait for things to be mailed out over the course of the year. Plus, get a physical copy of the much more in-depth grimoire chapter on the Wheel of the Year that I wrote specifically for the top tier on Patreon. Again, this is not available in the shop at all and is normally exclusive to members of the Build Your Complete Grimoire tier only. And finally, for the Build Your Complete Grimoire tier. This is my top tier on Patreon, and this is the one that includes the most. You get basically everything that all of the other tiers include, plus a whole lot more, namely super exclusive information and prompt pages on various subjects for your grimoire that are not available in the shop or to any of the lower tiers. Really, this is the most ideal tier overall, but the reason why I say the Seasonal Living tier is kind of the ideal tier for folks coming over from the podcast or YouTube is because it's kind of the entry level into the seasonal living concept, but this tier takes it to much deeper places and is still beginner friendly. So the bonus for signing up for a full year of the Build Your Complete Grimoire tier has actually had more added to it since I initially announced this to the newsletter a while back. So if you did sign up from the newsletter, you're actually getting a bigger bonus than you thought, which is really exciting. So initially, the bonus was going to be physical copies of all 12 Zodiac chapters, yep, the ones that I'm always talking about in our current seasonal series, and the Intro to Seasonal Astrology section at the beginning of January. This means that you don't have to print out the PDF files currently available in the library, which would normally be the case. Typically, when someone signs up, I don't send them physical copies of the chapters that have previously come out. They would have to print them out, and I would just send them physical copies of each new section as it comes out on a monthly basis. So you get all of the printed copies up front, and you also don't have to wait for the final few sections to come out and be mailed to you over the next few months. You get early access to those. But I've thought about it and I was like, you know what? This tier is such a passion of mine, and I'm so grateful to the people who sign up at this level. I want to actually include an even bigger bonus. So in addition to the bonus that I just mentioned, I'm also going to throw in the bonuses from the other tiers. So you're going to get your full year of pre-printed copies of your lunar astrology prompts, as well as the full year of your physical copies of your seasonal living prompts as well. So all of these Patreon offers end on January 1st, well, technically on the last day of December, when I'll be closing out the old year and updating my pricing structure. To learn more about each tier and select the ideal membership for you, go to patreon.com/thewritingwitch/membership, or just click on the link that's on the screen now, which will also be linked down below in the video description and the podcast show notes. Again, thank you so much for being here, whether you're a paid member or not. I really appreciate getting to share this magical journey of seasonal living and my creative process with you. If you haven't already caught our official winter solstice episode on how to embrace the astrology and the energies of this time of year to have a magical solstice tide season, I invite you to check out this video right here. And if you haven't caught it already, I'd love to invite you to watch my cozy apothecary tour and general catch-up video over on my vlog channel, so I'll link that here as well. Until next time, a merry solstice tide to all, and to all blessed be.